Hey guys, so in this video I want to explain to you how to use the memory seat function in our Dodge Hornet, which by the way is explained incorrectly in the user's manual that comes with the vehicle. So in the user's manual it says to push the 2 button in order to activate the storage function, and this is actually not correct. So the way that this works is that we have the 3 buttons available to store a seat position. And in order to save a seat position, we're first going to move our seat or our chair here to the correct position that we like. And as soon as we have done that, then we're going to press and hold any of the 3 position buttons. So for example, we're going to press and hold the number 1, and then for about 5 seconds, then you're going to hear a small beep sound confirming that the position has been saved. And then a different driver can, for example, store his seat position, his favorite seat position on button number 2, in the same way by pressing and holding the second button for about 5 seconds. So then in order to recall our seat position, for example the number 1, we are just going to briefly press on button number 1, and then this will move the seat into the same position that we were before when we saved the position on number 1. And the same of course counts as well for number 2, button number 2, and number 3 as well. Okay, so yeah, that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.